Power of the versatile velocity. A machine is just a machine, and a man is just a man. Separated, the man is limited to mankind's limitations. However, once you put a man in the machine, by the power of velocity, together they become one. A man-made machine. Man-machine. It's an extension of the man's body. Now, the limits are endless. His hands control the motions. Man's feet no longer run, they accelerate. His eyes see speeds they have never seen before. The laws of gravity still exist, but they are intensified. Man has separated himself from other species alive on this earth. His mind guides his soul. His soul guides his mind. Beyond the normal limitations that were once there before, there are no limits. There are endless possibilities for where he can go.